Hey guys, I'm back again. This is a really quick video, probably 2.5 minutes. Here I'm using a standard 9-inch roller to do all this background stuff, these bursts and bubbles and banners and stuff. And just doing a bunch of lettering in this video. And this is a place called Chino's Auto Repair. Anyway, here I'm using my standard Wooster 4-inch roller to lay out this yellow, and I leave a little white border around it. And I'm using the Wooster roller again here, and I'm carving it out with my 2-inch razor that I use to carve the edges and clean them up and stuff. Works really good. And then now I'm using the 2-inch Gen Poly Brush, and that's the brand to get. This video is pretty much for newbies, but also a reminder for people that have been doing it a while. And the 2-inch Poly Brush is great. The Gen Manufacturing, get that brand, that's the one to get. And they work really good. Here I am using it again, the Poly Brush, 2-inch Poly Brush, and filling in some lettering, the lettering tune-ups. Comes out pretty clean. And now here I'm using the Blick Scholastic 1-inch Golden Taklon single stroke brushes, and they come in a set. I used to use the MAC 162, but I switched to this because they're more affordable and they pretty much do the job just the same as the MAC 162 Golden Taklon. So I'll leave a link in the description for this brush. Here I am back with the 2-inch Gen Poly Brush. It's sort of my workhorse of brushes. It works great. And on this job I actually did 2 coats of red. I usually only do 1 coat. This is 1 coat here, and as you can see it looks pretty good. But it was in the direct sun, and it was probably about 97 degrees that day. I'm actually working in the shade. I went late to work in the shade. It's going to be 106 today here, which pretty much used to it. But okay, here you can see everything. It looks pretty good. It's clean, and it's nice and legible and easy to read. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye.